Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube video channel, and this playlist is on currency searching. Now this hobby is getting to be more and more popular every day, and the best thing about it is there's no way you can lose money. So what we're going to do is we're going to look through this stack of 75 $1 bills and look for unusual printing placements, like off-centered or crooked or anything that's different, or serial notes that are different, or silver certificates, or anything that's really stands out to be different than all the other ones. Now, the serial numbers we're going to be looking for. There's eight numbers here. We're going to be looking for 4 of a kind or more, a straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in any placement, or straight that's in a straight line, anything that's odd of other things. So, star notes, which are right here on the end, you'll see a star stamped instead of a letter, and that means that it was during the printing process there was some kind of error that was found, and they destroyed those serial numbers and reprinted it with a star instead of a letter. Anyway, anything that just stands out. And like I said, this is getting to be a more and more popular hobby. It doesn't cost anything. It's kind of fun. Anyway, let's look through these together. I'm going to take this little stack right here, push these to the side right here, and look through these. 72923036. That doesn't really stand out to me at all. Oh, another thing we're going to look for. If one is black and one is green, that's very, very collectible. So we've already looked at that one. 52087788. Now that could be 2 pair with something I don't really collect. I don't collect 2 pairs. If it was 2 3 of a kinds, I would collect those. 866-72246. Yeah, as you can see, 2 pairs. Well, not really anything special. 788-15213. Now, if you notice this one, the 13 is a little bit higher than the rest of the number. Now, that's a pretty common thing to happen, so that's not really collectible. But it is kind of neat looking. There we go. 04569142. Nope. 75939070. Nope. Another thing we're going to be looking for is birthdays, like 07311988, which would be July 1st, 1988. 23285580. Nope. 79784889. Nope. 5253838538. Nope. Sometimes these numbers kind of run into each other. 40755193. Nope. 27345688. Nope. 05027659. Nope. Now, I did earlier put all these bills in the same order. 44049929. Nope. So that's 1 2 3 1 2 3. That's three triplets, but they're not in the same order. I went 444 or 999, so I'm not going to collect that. 87437086. Nope. 0037 3537. Nope. 0502 9800. Nope. 2402 0365. Nope. 4979 6211. Nope. 5617 4386. Nope. 6716 2549. Nope. 3713 1824. Nope. 8183 0171. Nope. 8444 5677. Nope. 9088 9348. Nope. 313 55118. Nope. Now, in my collection so far, I probably have 30 or 40 different star notes. 73144 369. Nope. Maybe in a video soon I'll pull those out and we'll search through those and find the values of them. 36421976. Now that could be somebody's birthday year, 1976. Let's see. There we go. 6248 9375. Nope. 9764 3726. Nope. 7926 114. Well, I missed one there. 7902 6114. Nope. 622 2921. Nope. Let's push these aside right here and start on this little stack. 7263 5761. Now I don't know if it's true or not, just something I heard or read several years ago, that like 70 to 80% of all currency notes will have some form of drug dust on it, or drug DNA. 7454 0879. Nope. I don't know if that's true or not, just something I read and it's always stood out in my mind. 0816 0732. 4086 8216. Nope. 0650 3933. Nope. 2939 0998. Nope. 4964 5726. Nope. Maybe you'll save the ones that has your initials on it, like a K and a T. 8526 3183. 5759 9401. 2839 7845. 3860 6267. 5731 9176. Nope. Maybe that's DC Comics. I don't know. Whatever it could be. David Cook. 828 05032. Nope. 9024 8025. Nope. 7181 3933. Nope. 071 77712. Nope. 6231 2837. Nope. 8296 4206. Nope. 605 20256. Nope. Let me put you on hold and I will be right back. Okay, here we go. 92865666. Nope. 854-79159. Nope. 932-00750. Nope. 07975511, and that is a star note right here. Now, if it wasn't creased so much, this bill would be worth a lot more, but it's worth more than $1. So I'm going to put that one aside and save it. 311-37325. Nope. 667-32264. Nope. 863-72861. Nope. 3982-8005. Nope. 7948-3863. Nope. 05400-653. Nope. 3402-3685. Nope. 0896-8833. Nope. 2760-8425. Nope. 4303-7432. Nope. 0260-4453. Nope. 4064-1157. Nope. 9209-6990. Nope. Stack is getting small. 6589-3516. Nope. 400-11990. Nope. 8383-1993. Could be somebody's birthday year. 1993. Nobody I know. 3355-4924. Nope. Zero. No, not zero. That's a D. These numbers and letters are starting to run into each other, which is why I only do 75 bills, the most at one video. I started getting crossed. 6536-5767. Nope. This bill's pretty worn. 771-07744. Nope. 8395-1906. Nope. 699-07410. Nope. So, we do have this stack of 75 $1 bills, and we only had one note that I would save, which is a star note. You can't always find a collectible in your stack, but it's always fun when you do. And like I said earlier, it's a fun hobby. Cannot lose money. Doesn't cost you anything to look for these. All you can do is make a profit. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.